we go. I just spent, what, a couple $100 on I think this is the wash and spray. I'm going to post the model, what this is. You can see this thing. I haven't used it in about 6 months. We're dripping water all over the place. It's a piece of garbage. It does a really nice job of cleaning. But the seals, there's leaking water everywhere. The soap thing over here, the dispenser, the little nozzle, that's leaking water. Great cleaner, and you'll get a couple so there it is, the SmartWash. So I spent about, what, 150, 180 bucks on this thing. Fairly good cleaner. It lasted, I probably used it maybe 4 times. Had it sitting in the house, and we're dripping water all over the place. So this is about $150, $200 of money going into the garbage. You can see it over there. Yes, the seal, like I said, in there, in the soap dispenser, is completely rotted, and it's been in the house. There's no reason for it to rot. Only been used a few times. This thing's leaking. This machine is a piece of junk. Don't spend your money on it. It's a waste of money. An excellent cleaner, and you're going to throw it out within a year, maybe a year and a half at the most. Don't do it. Look at this. It's pathetic. Garbage Hoover. And I'm going to keep this video on. It's not going to lose you any sales, but people, protect yourself. Excellent machine that's a piece of trash. Look at this, leaking everywhere. I took off the soap dispenser because I thought that was leaking. I took off the other. It's pouring water out of the back. This machine is dripping water. The carpet is soaking wet. It's not sucking up any water anymore. It's just a piece of junk. I thought it was going to be a good machine for a few years, but yeah, don't waste your money on this piece of trash. And believe me, this is a piece of trash. 9 in the morning, now I've got to go to the store and go buy a carpet machine. Garbage. Hopefully this video is going to save some people from a nightmare. Here we go. I just did a couple passes with my Hoover SmartWash that I'm going to throw in the garbage right now because it's leaking all over the place. Piece of garbage. We can see where the carpet was cleaned. You can also see where I put on the enzyme cleaner. So there's a definite stain over there. Maybe a burn stain. So the enzyme cleaner worked, but either the carpet is so filthy around there, or the enzyme cleaner cleaned it too well, or it damaged the carpet and stained it a little bit, or the poop stain and the acidic stuff in there damaged the carpet. So is it a miracle? No.